Welcome to Trendsetters. I'm thrilled to have you here for my ultimate travel packing guide with a fashionable twist. Whether you're embarking on a quick weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, having the perfect wardrobe can truly make a difference in how comfortable and confident you feel while exploring new destinations. So let's jump right in and discover the secrets to packing like a pro for your next trip. Are you ready? Let's make your travel style shine. Packing for different weather. One of the most important things to consider when packing for travel is the weather at your destination. Even if you're only going a few hours away, the temperature and climate can vary significantly. Do your research ahead of time and pack layers that you can mix and match for any conditions. Make sure to check the forecast for your entire trip so you don't get caught unprepared for rain, snow, or extreme heat. As a general rule, I like to have items like a lightweight jacket or sweater, jeans or pants, shorts, a sundress, tank tops, and t-shirts to mix and match depending on the temperature. Don't forget accessories like a hat, gloves, and scarf too for colder weather. And pack items you don't mind getting ruined by rain just in case. Capsule wardrobe essentials. Let's talk about the secret to efficient travel packing. Versatile pieces that can effortlessly mix and match for any occasion. I absolutely adore focusing on capsule wardrobe essentials that offer endless styling possibilities. Think about items like a classic blazer or a trusty denim jacket, a versatile wrap dress, a pair of reliable skinny jeans, a chic midi skirt, and a flattering bodysuit or cami. These wardrobe workhorses can easily transition from day to night, giving you countless outfit options. Opting for neutral colors like black, white, gray, and navy is a brilliant move, as they allow you to create different looks while taking up minimal space in your bag. To add that extra oomph, don't hesitate to accessorize these basics with scarves, belts, hats, jewelry, and of course, the perfect pair of shoes. With these essentials at your disposal, you'll be a fashion maven on the go. The perfect packing cubes. Packing cubes are a total game changer for travel organization. I never leave home without mine. They help you fit more into your suitcase by compressing your clothes and separating items into different cubes for easy access. I like to use cubes for things like tops, bottoms, socks and underwear, pajamas, and in cube just for accessories. Rolling your clothes instead of folding also saves space. Packing cubes come in different sizes too depending on your trip length. I find the medium size perfect for a week's worth of clothing. Just be sure to label the cubes so you can find what you need quickly when unpacking. Shoes to pack. When it comes to shoes, I believe in packing smart and saving space. That means limiting myself to just one or two pairs. My absolute essentials are a comfortable pair of sneakers or flats that can handle all-day walking while still looking stylish. I also make sure to bring along a dressier option like chic sandals or versatile boots for those special nights out. And let's not forget about the little details. A compact pair of flip-flops for hotel use is a must-have. To keep everything organized, I love using a scarf or hat as a shoe bag, separating them from my clothes. Oh, and remember to roll your shoes tightly to maximize space in your luggage. Outerwear for layering. When packing for travel in different climates, it's important to have versatile outerwear for layering. As temperatures can vary greatly even within one destination, I like to bring a lightweight packable jacket, cardigan or sweatshirt that can be worn on its own or over top outfits. For colder weather, a warm coat is essential. Look for one that can be compressed into its own storage bag. A raincoat or poncho is also a good idea in case of unpredictable showers. And don't forget a warm hat and gloves too. Proper outerwear makes it easy to adjust to changing conditions, so you always feel comfortable exploring outside. Undergarments and basics. Don't skimp on packing enough undergarments and basics for your whole trip. I always bring at least 7 pairs of underwear and other garments, plus 7 pairs of socks. For longer trips, I'll double that amount. It's also a good idea to pack a few camis, tanks, and tees that can be worn as layers under outfits or on their own. Bringing basics in neutral colors means they will go with everything else in your suitcase. Roll these items to save space instead of folding. And don't forget pajamas. I like to have one warm set for colder nights plus a tank and shorts set for warmer destinations. Swimwear and accessories. If your travels include beach time or poolside relaxation, pack your swimsuit and accessories appropriately. I usually bring 2 swimsuits, one for the pool or beach, and a cover-up option for in between. Don't forget sunscreen, sunglasses, a large sun hat, and sandals too. If you plan to do water activities, consider a rash guard or quick dry shorts. And pack a small cosmetic bag with mini sizes of any essential toiletries. For women, don't forget tampons or pads too. A small jewelry pouch is also handy for keeping earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and watches organized and together in your bag. Dresses and skirts. When traveling, I like having a few easy breezy dress and skirt options to throw on that can be worn anywhere. Midi and mini dresses are great for both daytime activities and evening plans. I always bring at least one sundress and one option that can work for both casual and dressier occasions. Pack skirts in different lengths too. Maxi skirts are perfect for beach cover-ups, while a leather mini skirt can dress up nights out. Don't forget a cardigan, shawl, or blazer to complete these looks too for colder destinations or air conditioning. Accessorize dresses and skirts with scarves, hats, belts, and shoes. Pants and shorts. When it comes to pants and shorts for your travels, versatility is key. I always gravitate towards styles like skinny or straight-leg jeans, chinos, and leggings that can seamlessly transition from casual to dressy. Make sure to bring along 2 to 3 pairs that you can mix and match throughout your trip. And let's not forget about shorts for those sunny days. Denim cutoffs and lightweight linen or cotton styles are perfect for both daytime adventures and evening strolls. Oh, and don't forget to pack a pair of comfy joggers or sweats for those cozy hotel days. To add some flair to your pants, don't hesitate to accessorize with belts, scarves tied at the waist, or eye-catching statement jewelry. Remember, rolling your bottoms tightly and packing them in designated cubes will maximize space-saving efficiency. Tops and blouses. Now let's talk about tops and blouses. When it comes to packing these wardrobe essentials, versatility and simplicity are key. Opt for versatile styles that layer well and stick to neutral colors that can effortlessly mix and match with the rest of your travel wardrobe. V-neck and crew neck tees, tanks, camis, and sleeveless tops in classic shades like black, white, gray, and navy are your best friends. These basics will serve as the foundation for a variety of stylish outfits. It's also a great idea to pack 1 or 2 nicer blouses made of luxurious fabrics like linen, silk, or chiffon. These elegant pieces can instantly elevate your look for a special occasion. And don't forget to pack accessories like scarves to change up your neckline and add a touch of personality to your outfits. To stay organized, tightly roll your tops and pack them together in dedicated packing cubes. This way, you can effortlessly put together chicken ensembles each morning without rummaging through your entire bag. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for tuning in to this ultimate travel packing guide with a fashion twist. I genuinely hope these tips leave you feeling absolutely confident and fully prepared with the most stunning wardrobe for your upcoming adventure. If you have any lingering questions or need further guidance, please don't hesitate to reach out. And don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to Trendsetters so you never miss out on our fantastic style and travel content. Until next time, happy travels!